Good morning, students. Very glad to meet you all again through Moral Science online class. I hope you are all doing good by God's grace. Students, take care of your health, stay safe at home. Let's revise the lesson once again and see some question answers in today's class. Okay, humility is wisdom. Humility means quality of being humble. Humility means quality of being humble. Wisdom means quality of having experience, knowledge and good judgment. Wisdom means quality of having experience, knowledge and good judgment. Okay, students, humanity, another word is humanity. Humanity means restoring faith. Humanity means restoring faith. The word humility comes from humus. The word humility comes from humus, the rich soil that sustains all life and growth. Humility is a quality that helps us to look beyond ourselves. Humility reminds us that every person deserves our respect and that we can all learn from one another. Humility opens our mind to new ideas and knowledge. Humility helps us to form lasting friendships and to live in harmony with others. Harmony means being friendly. Harmony means being friendly. The opposite of humility is vanity. The opposite of humility means vanity. Vanity means excessive pride. Excessive pride. Arrogance and feeling that we are superior to others. Arrogance means behaving unpleasant way. Behaving unpleasant way. Vanity makes us blind to our own fault. Arrogance loses as friends. It is wrong to think that being humble means being weak and ignorant. In fact, humility gives us great strength and wisdom. Humility gives us great strength and wisdom. Summary of the story. Humility was his strength. Butsugi, a master of the traditional marital arts. Traditional marital arts means offensive art like karate. Offensive art like karate. Lived in Japan. He was so strong and had a power of punching a hole in almost anything. He was known as the monk. Monk means saint. Saint is a man who is the member of religious order and do not get married. With a powerful punch. One night, Batsugi was working along a quiet street, Kyoto. All of a sudden, some rowdy man surrounded him and asked him what was he doing there. Batsugi answered with humbleness that he was coming down from the mountains. But the man did not allow him. Gundu Samu, the leader of the group, told him that if he had any sense of honor, if that he would fight to defend his name. But the Batsugi told him that he was just a monk and he did not want to fight. Godosimo ignored Batsugi's protest. Protest mean okay. Protest. Godosimo told the monk to use any of the weapon he had, but the monk refused to use the weapon. Instead, he took out two wooden bowls from his pouch. Gondu Simu smiled and thought he would defeat the monk easily. Pudusimu brought his stick down with a force, but the monk skillfully captured his skills. Now the stick trapped between the bowl. All of the sudden, the monk released the stick in shouting, "Oh!" Gudusimu fell down and lost his grip on the stick. Now the stick flew through the air and fell somewhere behind him. Godusimu looked at Batsugi with respect and told him that skills were very great and better than him, and asked what was his name. The monk replied that he was wandering monk. His name was Batsugi. On the surprise, Izamu explained that you were the famous monk with a powerful punch. Batsugi is not only famous for his strength and skill but for the wisdom and humility. He rejected all of the lavish offerings and lived in a simple life in a small temple in woods, giving his wise advice generously to everyone. Okay, students. From the summary, let's see how humility plays a vital role in our daily life. Moving on to let's understand. Humility is important to understand what humility is. Listen. Humility is willingness to listen and learn from others. Willingness to listen to and learn from others. Accepting one's own fault and mistakes instead of making excuse for them. Not boasting about one's own achievements. Boasting means not feelings. Feelings, not jealousy about one's own achievements. Giving others credit for their work instead of taking all the credit for oneself. Appreciating the achievements of others without feeling jealous of them. Being willing to ask for help. This is humility. What is the importance of humility? Humility is willingness to listen, to learn from others, accepting one's own fault and mistakes instead of making excuse for them, not boasting about one's own achievements, giving others credit for their work instead of talking all the credit for oneself, appreciating the achievements of others without feeling jealous of them, being willing to ask for help. Next, humility is equally important to understand what humility is not. Okay, first, humility is not behaving as if one is a slave. Behaving as if one is a slave. Pretending not to understand something. Pretending not to understand something. Blindly obeying others. Obeying others. Thinking negatively about oneself. Thinking negatively about oneself. Letting other people win games and competitions. Letting other people win games and competitions. A humble person is unselfish in thought and action. Understood, students? See, what is humble person? Humble person is unselfish. Unselfish in thoughts and action. Have you seen the branch of a tree laden with ripe fruits? It burns low towards the ground, inviting all to pick up its fruits. In the same way, a humble person shares his knowledge and skills generously with others. In the same way, the humble person
share his knowledge. A humble person shares his knowledge and skills generously with others. The people with a great humility are often those who have achieved a lot in life. The greatest humility are often those who have achieved a lot in life. They understand the value of knowledge and the need to share it with others. It's knowledge and the need to share it with others. Okay, students. Next, moving on to let's talk it over. Here, one greatest scientist name was Sir Isaac Newton. He's the great British scientist. Study the law of nature and the effect of gravity. He also showed us that sunlight can be split into 7 colors of the rainbow. Everyone was astonished that one man could discover so many things, isn't it? Yes. One day, a lady came up to him and said, "You are truly amazing. You have explained so many things in our world and even the entire universe." Newton replied, "Alas, I am only a little child picking up bubbles on the shore of the greatest ocean of truth." Should we mock Newton because he compared himself to a little child? If he had not been humble, what would Newton have said to the lady? We can all develop humility if we try. We can remind ourselves every day. Many people have helped me in many ways. See it? Many people have helped me in many ways. There is a lot I can learn from others. There is a lot I can learn from others. There is a lot I can do to help others. I can do help others. I have to give respect to earn respect. I have give to respect to earn respect. I have much to be thankful for. I have much to be thankful for. A humble person is not worried about his prestige. A humble person is not worried about his prestige. He is busy looking for ways to help others. He is busy looking for ways to help others. He does not expect to be treated in any special way. He feels part of the human family. He does not go looking for prize. He goes looking for knowledge. He does not feel insulted or offended if someone criticizes him. He is prepared to face his own fault. Isn't it? That's a good way to live our lives. Okay, students. Let's see choose and fill-ups. First one, choose the correct answers. First question is, dash open our minds to new ideas and knowledge. Dash open our knowledge. Dash opens our minds to new ideas and knowledge. Option is A. Humility, B. Humanity, C. Humidity, D. None. Here, 4 option is given. Correct answer is humility. Humility opens our minds to new ideas and knowledge. Okay, students? Dash opens our minds to new ideas and knowledge. Humility. Humility opens our minds to new ideas and knowledge. Then second one is, Dash was famous for his strength and humility. Dash was famous for his strength and humility. Butsuhi was
for his strength and humility. Butsugi was famous for his strength and humility. The option is first one A is the Butsugi, B Hondu Izamu, C is the Heran Tisuang, D is the Nun. Here A is the answer Butsugi. Then third question is, a dash person is unselfish in thought and action. Third question is, a dash person is unselfish in thought and action. Option is A. Normal, B. Humble, C. Sick, D. None. Option A is normal, B. Humble, C. Sick, D. None. Here B is the answer. B. Humble. A humble person is unselfish in thought and action. Okay, next fourth one. Fourth question is, a humble person is not worried about his dash. A humble person is not worried about his dash. The option is A. Money, B. Relatives, C. Home, D. Prestige. A. Money, B. Relatives, C. Home, D. Prestige. The answer is fourth one, prestige. A humble person is not worried about his prestige. Next one is fifth one. The opposite of humility is dash. The opposite of humility is dash. Option is A. Anxiety, B. Vanity, C. Capacity, D. None. The correct answer is B. Vanity. The opposite of humility is vanity. The opposite of humility is vanity. Okay, student, understood? Choose the correct answer. The next, filling the blanks. Second one. First one is, humility helps us to look beyond ourselves. Humility helps us to look beyond ourselves. Humility helps us to look beyond ourselves. Then second one is, arrogance loses as friends. Arrogance loses as friends. Then third one is, Dash was a master of the traditional marital arts in Japan. Dash was a master of the traditional marital arts in Japan. Butsugi was a master of the traditional marital arts in Japan. Then fourth one is, Hondu Izamu was a dash. Hondu Izamu was a dash. Hondu Izamu was a leader of a rowdy group. Hondu Izamu was a leader of a rowdy group. Next one, fifth one is, Dash is unselfish in thought and action. Dash is unselfish in thought and action. Humble person is unselfish in thought and action. Humble person is unselfish in thought and action. Have you understood, students? Okay. Shall I read once again the question answer? Choose the correct answer. First one is, humility opens our minds to new ideas and knowledge. Second one is, Butsugi was famous for his strength and humility. Second one is, Butsugi was famous for his strength and humility. Third one is, this person is unselfish in thought and action. A humble person is unselfish in thought and action. Then fourth one is, a humble person is not worried about his prestige. A humble person is not worried about his prestige. Then fifth one is, the opposite of humility is vanity. The opposite of humility is vanity. Next, filling the blanks. Humility helps us to look beyond ourselves. Humility helps us to look beyond ourselves. Then second one is arrogance losses as friends. Arrogance losses as friends. Third one is Dash was a master of the traditional martial arts in Japan. Butsugi was a master of the traditional martial arts in Japan. Then fourth one is Hondo Izamu was a dash. Hondo Izamu was a leader of a rowdy group. Leader of a rowdy group. Then fifth one, Dash is unselfish in thought and action. Humble person is unselfish in thought and action. Okay, student, have you understood? You study the question answers, okay? We have completed the unit Humility is Wisdom. So, students, read the lesson and study the question answers. If you have any doubt in the question answers, clear it in the live session through Zoom. Okay, students, thank you all.